We have some big news coming in on the COVID-19 front. Karnataka now ranks 10th in COVID-19 fatality rate. 2 deaths have been reported for every 1 crore people in the state. This is the latest big news we are tracking at the moment. Delhi ranks the first in the COVID-19 fatality rate. Delhi's fatality rate is at 19 deaths for every 1 crore people in the state. This is the latest big news we are tracking at the moment. The Health Department has released the latest data on the fatality rates observed across different states in the country. While Delhi ranks the first, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka has secured a 10th rank in the fatality rates due to COVID-19. More big news coming in. BBMP War Room has released a list of hotspots in Bengaluru. 32 wards have been declared as red zones in Bengaluru city, while 34 wards have been declared as orange zones in Bengaluru city. This is the latest big news we are tracking at the moment. BBMP War Room, which analyzes the data and all of the cases which have been reported from Bengaluru, has released this latest form of data, which has now given us information about what kind of wards have been declared as red zones and orange zones inside Bengaluru city, and where the BBMP will be giving more focus on in order to contain the spread of COVID-19. Now, there are 32 wards have been identified as a red zone and 34 wards have been identified as orange zones. Compared to yesterday as well, the BBMP War Room had released data saying that 32 wards were in the red zone in Bengaluru city. But before that, there were even more wards, 34 wards declared as red zones in Bengaluru city. The BBMP Commissioner has also clarified on the same, saying that the wards in red zones can also move to orange zones depending upon the number of COVID-19 cases reported from there. My colleague Adarsh is joining us live from the newsroom, and he is to give us more details on the wards that are there in the red zone right now. Adarsh, do tell us exactly what kind of zone in Bengaluru city has the most number of wards in red zone area.
Well, Amruta, we shall get into the details as to what kind of ward and which ward is really falling under which zone. But before that, it is very important to understand as to what red zones are, what orange zones are, and what green zones are. Red zone is almost like a complete full lockdown, almost like a seal down. All essentials will be provided door to door. There will be no shopping of any daily essentials, so to speak. So that's in a sense a red zone. Orange zone is more like a lockdown. The essential services, groceries, commodities, shops that sell that will be open, and one would be able to go out and purchase those essentials, but they'll have to wear masks. So that's an orange zone. It's almost like a lockdown, which is not overly restrictive. When it comes to green zone, again, these are zones that have not reported positive cases in the recent past, in at least the last fortnight or so, and they will continue to have very few restrictions that will be in place. So when it comes to Bengaluru city, the War Room has gone ahead and has identified about 34 the red zones initially, but then you had the BBMP Commissioner clarify that they have decreased 2 of the red zones because of the way in which they were performing on ground, in the sense that they had a control over the number of positive cases. So now at this point in time, we are speaking about 32 red zones here in the city, 32 red zone that are wards here in the city, and that apart, there will be 34 orange zones. So if we were to take a look at what are the kind of zones that we're talking about when it comes to the red zone itself, I have the list right here with me. In Bomanahalli, you have one hotspot, which is in a sense the Singasandra hotspot. Mahadevapura has 5 hotspots. Again, we're talking about Hagadur, Garuda Charpalya, Varturu, Hudi, and Horamavu. And when it comes to east, it is again, as I was just saying, Horamavu, and when it comes to east, it is Vasant Nagar, ward number 93, Lingarajpura, also is Jeevan Bhima Nagar, ward number 88, and Radhakrishna Temple. All of these are red zones that come under the east zone of Bengaluru city. You also have CV Raman Nagar, Ramaswamy Palya, Maruti Seva Nagar, Ward number 62, Ramaswamy Pali right there. 59 Maruti Seva Nagar. 112 Ward number Domlur. And Sampangi Ramanagar, that is ward number 110. So these are 9 hotspots that have been identified in Bengaluru East. Next we move to Bengaluru South, 9 hotspots here. Sudham Nagar, which is ward number 118. Karisandra, which is ward number 166. Ijipura, which is ward number 148. And Gurappanapalya, which is ward number 171. Attiguppe, which is ward number 132. And Shakambari Nagar, which is ward number 179, JP Nagar, which is ward number 177, and you have Bapuji Nagar, again ward number 134, and Hosahalli, ward number 124. These are 9 hotspots, red zones that have been identified in Bengaluru South. We'll now move to Bengaluru West. Ward number 67, Nagapura. Ward number 95, Subhash Nagar. 107, ward number Shiva Nagar. 135, ward number Padrayanapura. Ward number 139, KR Market. So these are the 5 red zones that have been identified in Bengaluru West with maximum restrictions. That is what. So next is next, of course, we have the orange zones. There have been other names as well. Almost all of them that we have spoken about in red zones are also there in orange, barring two more wards coming in from Bengaluru West in the form of Rajamahal and in all likelihood it is Nagarbavi. So almost similar kind of zones that have been identified in both red and orange. You have wards that we just discussed are almost the same, barring 2 more wards. So that's the essential difference between red zones and orange zones. So both of these zones will see plenty of restrictions, and we're talking about how there will be marginal relief after April 20th, but they may not apply to red and orange zones, given the fact that it is in these very zones where you have the number of positive cases increasing. So that's what, on a war footing, you have the officials on the ground scurrying together, ensuring that they file a proper report which has all kind of details as to what area needs what kind of attention going forward. Back to you, Amrita.
Thank you, Adarsh, for bringing us all of those details. Now, those are the wards in front of your screen right there, which are categorized under the red zone right now. Now, these number of wards keep changing every day. Just a few days ago, we had 34 wards in the red zone in Bengaluru city. Now, there are 32 zones, and depending on each of these wards not reporting any sort of COVID-19 case for the next 28 days, will be removed from the red zone and moved into orange zone. Right here we have the map also depicting all of the orange these are the red zone areas in Bengaluru city. This is the map of the Bengaluru city in which the red zone areas have been marked. Now also when compared to the orange zone areas, several red zone areas are also now categorized under orange zone areas as well.